Automobiles are addictive. The very word spells a lot of convenience and undreamed mobility. Well, they are the symbols of power, success, happiness, and a lot of excitement. Since the very first automobile was designed in 1885 by Carl Benz, they have supported a major chunk of any nation's economy. A lot of money is got from designing and selling these automobiles by making a network of roads. Manifold is the advantage one derives from an automobile. Time and distance have been conquered, but like any technological advancement, they also have their side effects. It is said speed thrills, but it also kills. More than 20 million people to up to 2,000 have died due to accidents in automobiles. Many more have been rendered physically handicapped, and they have also affected the environment. A lot of pollutants from the automobiles are found in the air, in the water, and even in the soil. It is said that 85% of the air pollution and 75% of the noise pollution is due to automobiles. When a fuel is burnt in the automobile, it gives out about 13.7% of hydrocarbons, which are carcinogenic, about 77.2% of carbon monoxide, and as all of you know, carbon monoxide impairs the oxygen carrying capacity of the hemoglobin in blood. There is about 7.7% of oxides of nitrogen that lead to photochemical smog. Smog is nothing else but a combination of smoke and fog, and this can result in change in temperature. It can cause skin infections. It can cause respiratory problems. Other gases present in the exhausts are ammonia, aldehydes, some oxides of lead. Where does lead come in here? Tetraethyl lead is added to the fuel as an anti-knock agent, and the oxides of lead are a result of this. Besides, unburnt carbon is also given out in the atmosphere. Many a times the oil also seeps into the deeper layers of the soil, and it can also contaminate the groundwater. But one cannot think of doing away with automobiles. It is a reality, a practical necessity. How can one then reduce harmful emissions from automobiles?
In my opinion, we all can shift to use fuels like CNG, that is compressed natural gas, LPG, liquid petroleum gas, and of course CPHG, solar produced hydrogen gas. For all of us, the most beneficial is walking or cycling for short distance. It makes our health fit as well as it is inexpensive. 30% of the people in Netherlands use cycle. It is not because they are poor, but they have got concern for their environment. We have seen that the old vehicles use more fuels, but we can levy more tax on them so that they can avoid using it. Carpooling system can also be encouraged. It also encourages public transportation as better than individual transportation.
We must also ensure that our vehicles have fuel efficiency. That is, they are fitted with emission control devices like catalytic converter. Recently, there was a movie called Minority Report, in which the roads acted as escalators and took us to our destinations. The cars had to just shift lanes. Wow, imagine that. Let's see if we can have it in the near future, as it uses a lot of energy.
Yeah, that has been well said. Most of the suggestions are very practical and we can implement. As children, we can have a major role in seeing that the air we breathe is much healthier. Can we really cycle down to school? Can we use public transport systems? Till science and technology takes care to see that emissions from automobiles are really totally harmless.